Hello, this is Joey with On the Road Again. I'm going to show you the proper way to find a leak on any system. The first thing you want to do is make sure it has the correct amount of Freon in it. You don't have to have some major contraption. You can use some of the store-bought stuff. But these heated leak detectors work the best. It takes about 30 seconds for the tip to warm up like it's supposed to. And then you shut the car off and you're going to check all throughout the system. It's very sensitive. I'm going to get around here and shut this off. These things range anywhere from a few $100s to 15 bucks. You can get them on Amazon. This is a little more expensive one, but for like a homeowner use or do-it-yourself, you can get one of the cheap ones. They just don't work as good or last as long. Alright, the first thing you want to do is set the sensitivity level on high. We're going to set this to the side for a second. I'm going to take these caps off. I'll give you a little demonstration. I don't know if you can see that. But I want to reset it. You want to simply go around all the connections that you just did. Good test for you. Of course, we're gonna have a leak there. We just took the thing off, but once you detect the leak, you just hit the reset. Get these things out of the way. The worst leak you can get, of course, would be in the vents, because the evaporator core is hard to get to. You see, we're reading an evaporator core leak. It's unfortunate. That's a definite evaporator core leak. I have to let the customer know.